Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now today I'm videoing a session where I'm prepping the Eid menu. So I've actually just uploaded a new vlog, which is the lockdown Eid part 1. This is part 2, so this is the prep for Eid. Now it's Saturday, it's currently 10 to 5 in the afternoon, and I've just about managed to sort everything out and you know, got everything organized, and now I'm actually going to be cooking and prepping everything for tomorrow, which is obviously Eid day, Eid celebration. So Eid Mubarak guys, if you listen to this or you're watching this, happy Eid. I hope that wherever you are in the world watching this, you have a wonderful Eid with all your loved ones, which are currently living with you at the moment with the current situation. But yeah, I've taken my my little kitchen pinny off because there was no need for it today. I thought I had to get an Eid Mubarak one. And yes, so I am going to show you what I'm going to be making. I've got a list here which I've wrote down, and on the menu we've got quite a few things, and I have decided to go ahead with the heavy breakfast, the heavy nashta. So we're going to be doing that, and then we're going to have a later sort of like evening meal, which actually works out better because that way I'm not rushing, because otherwise I'm rushing to get everything done by 12:30, 1 o'clock for the afternoon lunch, and it's kind of stressful. So if we have a kind of big breakfast, fill ourselves up, tomorrow inshallah we'll have an evening meal in the evening, and it should be good. But yes, let me start with the prep, and I'm going to be showing you glimpses of this. So just imagine if I showed you everything from start to finish, all the dishes, it'd take me at least 2 days to finish. But yes, no, I'm going to show you glimpses of things. So let's start this vlog. I'm excited, can you tell? I've been super excited. This is the last fast for the month of Ramadan 2020, and you know, it's been amazing. It's been a wonderful experience. Even though we've been locked down, I just feel that we've been blessed with so much. Alhamdulillah, we've got food on our tables. I always say this, you know, a roof over our heads, and health, which is the biggest thing, again, like I always say. But yes, so let me make a start, because I waffle and I know it's not good. Sometimes it is, sometimes it isn't, and this isn't the time for waffling, because I really need to crack on. Right, okay, so let me show you what I need to do first. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is marinating my tandoori roast chicken. It's on the bone, it's just leg and thigh pieces, obviously cut into 2. I've scored them, I've put gashes in them, and I've cleaned and washed it. So I'm going to transfer this into here, and I'm just going to use this bowl here to mix my marinating. So first of all, oops, I forgot to add the oil in. So some oil. This is freestyle cooking today, by the way, guys. I will link up this recipe. I have done a tandoori chicken recipe on my channel, but I will link it up in the description box for you guys to follow if you wish to. But I'm freestyling it today. There's no measuring or anything, apart from things here that I've slightly measured. So there you have it, guys. That's my tandoori chicken all done. And I'm just going to transfer this into a container now, and obviously just you know, pop the lid on and pop it into the fridge to chill until tomorrow afternoon. So let's move on swiftly to the next thing now. Moving on to the next dish, I've got 3 onions here. So I'm making bulk masala, which basically means a lot of masala, and I'm actually not going to slice these today. I'm just going to pop them into my little blender and just blitz them. So guys, I've blitzed the onions in the machine, and I also threw in a handful of green chilies there, which have been blitzed and chopped nicely. And oh my God, they're strong. The onions are strong, the chilies are strong as well, and I can, you know, feel that heat coming from both of them. So I'm going to fry these off now, and I'm going to make my masala for my kofte and curry, and I'm also going to take out a little bit once it's done for my chana masala, which I'll be making for my breakfast tomorrow. And yeah, I'm going to do that now and then prep the keema, which is the lamb mince for the kofte, which I'll show you as well. Totally forgot this pan was on the heat, so it's absolutely smoking hot. I've just had to turn the heat off, but I'm just going to continue. So in with my oil, and I'm trying not to use too much oil here, guys, because with the lamb mince it's going to have fat in there as well, which is obviously going to cook. So just enough to be able to cook the onions. There. Oh wow. That was how hot it was. Do not do this ever. Oh. We're just like you. We get it wrong as well. Oh my God, good job that didn't burn me. Just bring that over here. The current state of the handi. It's not too bad actually. There's only a teeny weeny bit that went in there. But yeah, oh my God. That scared me. Okay, now turn the gas up high. Just take out this little chili here which hasn't blitzed fully. I'm just going to throw it away because it's too big. If it lands in anyone's mouth, that's it. My God, the oil has just spluttered everywhere. I can't believe I've just done that. This is the first vlog that I've done, and trust me, to do something like this on camera, not good. Yeah. Wow. So in with the oil. Oh, super hot again. Best turn it off. And I want a little bit more oil in this than what I put in the masala, because I want the onions to brown really nicely. So it needs quite a fair bit of oil. I don't know why I've got one of these things, to be honest. I can just literally pull it off and just use that instead of the bottle. I just really like the idea of this, but it doesn't really... Ugh, come on. All right, okay. And then turn the gas down a bit, the heat, should I say. I always say gas. And now in with this. So I'm not sure about you guys, but we're having takeout today. There was no way in hell that I was going to be cooking for tonight as well. And we're going to be having pizza tonight. And yes, to be honest, we've been really good throughout Ramadan. We've not really been eating too much fried foods. I think we've had samosa and pakore about maybe 3 to 4 times during the whole month. So we've been really good in that aspect. But I just said, well, I'm not going to cook anything because there's no point cooking, to be honest. If I cook something today and then tomorrow's Eid anyway, so you're going to be having so much to eat and to make, there's really no point. So yes, we're having that. And my right arm's been killing absolutely been throbbing for about a week. I did back-to-back videos through just before Ramadan, and it's been absolutely just throbbing. And I've had to wear one of those, you know, wrist support, not wrist, elbow support, sorry, you know, all day, all night, to be honest, whenever I can. So yeah, and today I'm going all out with everything. So yeah. Oh, and she's crying. I don't know what's happened to her. Let's go check up on her and see what's happening. But yeah, I'm going to take a short break and I will join you again shortly. Oh my God, my head's hurting. Ooh. So guys, the time is currently 1:36 a.m. Oh, I don't know if you can see that. There it is, 1:36 a.m. It's going to be a long one tonight. Oh, I was hoping to have everything done, but as you probably know, you know, by the time we opened up our last rosa and did our iftari, we kind of sort of like chilled out with the girls a bit, and then both girls popped them in bed, and they're currently sleeping away, but we're grafting here. Well, actually I am. He sat on the PlayStation, and you know, what better life is there? No, he actually helped me with the making of kofte, which is good because I really needed to, you know, take a break. So he did that, and the kofte, I've added them into the pot, so they're cooking away. And I've just realised I can't use the same masala for my jenny, which I'll be making for my breakfast. So I'm going to put the onions on to cook now and do that, and quickly just sort that handy out, and then do my my dough for my dough brand tomorrow. And then I'm just going to pop everything into the fridge and just head off to bed. But yes, it's been a very eventful evening, to say the least. I am enjoying leftover bits of cake. We've just made some room in the fridge, and there's some bits left here, and I thought it'd be rude not to, and just end up throwing them away because my sister put so much effort into these little crumbs. So I'm just eating this. No doubt I'm going to turn into some kind of fat beast after eating, you know, having all this cake and all these sugar cookies and things like that, but I don't care. I'll exercise, you know. Every Monday I start with a new week saying I am going to start my exercise routine today. And guess what? By Friday, it never happens. And then the weekend comes along, and then I'm like, I'll start on Monday again. And it's that vicious circle that we go around in. But hey, yes. And I'm having a decaf coffee, but it's gone cold, so I'm going to make a new one now. And check the mug out. Look, little, it's a Tigger mug. How cute, and it's massive. So yes. Right, I'm going to start prepping the masala for the jenny, and I'm going to see how much you can see of this now via the vlog. I'll try and video as much as I can, but it's just getting a bit tiring now, and I've been at it since like 5 o'clock, guys. I will call it a night, and I will catch you tomorrow. So stay safe, sleep well, and bye for now.